Let's look at this question. an minus an plus 1 is equal to an plus 4 minus an plus 5, where an is an integer and n is greater than or equal to 1. Find a80 minus a84 if a75 is equal to 103 and a83 is equal to 205. Okay, so I have some expression in terms of a, and then I have two terms given, a80 minus a84, something that differ by 4. Then I have a75 and a83, terms that differ by 8, the nth value differing by 8. Okay, let me see. From this expression, what all can I get? One thing I can get is an minus an plus 4 is equal to an plus 1 minus an plus 5. So I can go a1 minus a5 is equal to a2 minus a6, and when n is equal to 2, this will be equal to a3 minus a7. When n is equal to 3, I will get a4 minus a8, or basically this minus this, a gap of 4 will get continued throughout. So a75 minus a79 will be equal to a79 minus a83. This is same. I know value of 75 and a83. So 2 times of a79 is equal to 308, or a79 is equal to 154. Okay, this is amazing, because now I can do something awesome. Look at this. If I put n equal to 79, the expression would turn into a79 minus a80 is equal to a83 minus a84. Yes, so now I can go a79 minus a83 is equal to a80 minus a84, and this is the expression that I was seeking. I know the value of a79, which is 154. I know the value of a83, which is 205. So this should be equal to minus 51. The answer to our question should be option A.